This week we have 6 new sight words, and don't forget you can find your sight words on your first page of your packet each week now. So our first word is the word after. Can you say after? Great job. Let's go ahead and spell after. A-F-T-E-R. After. Great job. The next word is the word by. Now we normally have been seeing the word by spelled B-Y, and that means I am by the door. But when we use this by, this is when you buy something. So I buy candy at the store. So can you say buy? Good. Let's go ahead and spell it together. B-U-Y. Buy. Good job. Our next word is the word done. Can you say done? Good. Now done is an important sight word because if you see here, we would think this is the magic E, but in this case, it does not follow the rule. It's not d-own. It is d-uh. It steals that U sound. So this is one of those words we just have to see and know what it is. So let's go ahead and spell done together. D-O-N-E. Done. The next word is the word every. Can you say every? Good. Go ahead and spell the word with me. E-V-E-R-Y. Every. I like every color of the rainbow. All right. Our next word is the word soon. Can you say soon? Good. And we have that owl ooh ooh sound in the middle of a word here, if you notice. Let's go ahead and spell soon. S-O-O-N. Soon. Good. I need to hurry. I have my reading group soon. Our last word is the word work. Can you say work? Good job. Let's spell it. W-O-R-K. Work. I work hard on my packet. Good job. So let's go through them really fast. Ready? After. By. Done. Every. Soon. Work. Great job. You can go ahead and just click the green check when you're done. You don't have to write anything.